I watch the shadows start to fade across the promises we made. In every birth and every sigh, I see the reflection in your eyes. Though the seasons turn to gold, it's a story that never grows old. Forever in my heart you stay, like the sunbeam on a rainy day.